all? I think you all are good and safe at your home. So, today we have decided to give you some information regarding coronavirus. As you all know that the virus, they are very small microscopic organisms and cannot be seen using ordinary compound microscope. Okay, and virus is one of the microorganisms found nearby us. They can be seen only through microscope. Okay, and you know that the virus have both the features of living as well as non-living. Till it will not get any host body to propagate, it will act as a non-living, and as soon as it enters the host body, it start propagating, multiplying and producing, isn't it? So we always keep the virus on the borderline of living and non-living things. As you all know regarding virus, that they do not carry out their metabolism of their own. When they infect a plant, animal or human body, they use host cell machinery to synthesize their protein, grow and reproduce. Okay, all viruses are parasite. You should know parasite means those who feed on the body of host. So today I am going to tell you some more things about this coronavirus. The coronavirus disease, that is COVID 19, is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Okay, and you know that most of the people who fall sick with COVID 19 will experience mild to moderate symptoms and recover without special treatment, isn't it? And how it spread? It spread that the virus cause mainly transmitted through droplets generated when infected person cough, sneeze or exhale. These droplets are too heavy to hang in the air and quickly fall on floats on surface. Okay, therefore mostly this type of virus are found kept on any floor or any surface. Okay, you can be infected by breathing in the virus if you are within close proximity of someone who has COVID 19 or by touching a contaminated surface and then your eyes, nose, or mouth. Is it okay? So I think you have got the knowledge that how it spread. Now I am telling you what precautions you can take to prevent from spreading it. First of all, clean your hands often. Use soap and water, or you can use alcohol based hand rub. Okay. First of all, you have to take care of your personal hygiene. Second thing, maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Don't touch your eyes, nose, or mouth. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Okay? Stay home if you are not feeling well. If you have fever, cough, and difficulty in breathing, seek medical attention. Call in advance. And now we are having one app also. Arogya Setu app is the best app which you can download and can know the recent knowledge of COVID, those who are feeling coughing, sneezing, or any symptoms related to coronavirus, you can have the knowledge and you can be get rid from this. Okay, so follow the direction of your local health authorities also by um, having such type of these apps. Okay, then now today I want to tell you some more scientific things regarding the coronavirus. As you know that you are the student of science, you should know that why, from which family it belongs. The family of RNA virus is a nidovirales order. Okay, so significant viral pathogens in humans and animal. Means the what is the meaning of corona? The prefix used from the Latin word that is crown. Crown, you know, crown. Crown, you know, what is crown? Crown which the king used to wear, isn't it? So it just like you can see here the appearance of this virus, it is looking like a crown, isn't it? So what are the four classification? The four classification are alpha, beta, gamma and delta. You must have heard such type of classification in your mathematics, isn't it? We use angles alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Here also we have classified the coronavirus in four classifications. Okay. The human coronavirus are alpha and beta coronavirus. Is it okay? Then middle size virus enveloping a positive strain RNA, and it is a very large viral RNA genes. Okay. Now see how the host, the reservoirs and the infected animals carry this such type of viruses. First of all, the infection start in birds and mammals. Bats are the host of the last large number of these viral genotypes of coronavirus. Then epidemics means the condition where a large population die due to a single cause, can occur when virus transmit from one species to another. Okay, as this species has this has virus has transferred from bats to animal, isn't it? Then nowadays it has taken the condition of pandemic. Epidemic is a smaller scale we can say, and pandemic means a much more higher level of it. So what will happen, what will be the effects on human? These human coronavirus are caused of respiratory and gastrointestinal tract infections. Okay, and when mutation occur, coronavirus can be significant cause of human epidemics. So I think today I have given you much more knowledge regarding coronavirus, and in future also you will take care of such type of infections. Okay, now if you want to have much more knowledge, then we can move ahead with the history of infection. In 2002 to 2003 we were having one same type of this virus, that was SARS, SARS. What is the full form of it? In class 9th also, in why do we fall ill, we have done this one. Diagrams were related to it, it was given in your book NCERT. You can see there, from there also, the size of this SARS. Then you can see what is the full form of SARS. It is severe acute respiratory syndrome. Okay. Then in 2012, Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, MERS. Again it will start in Saudi Arabia. And what type of virus it was having? It was having beta coronavirus, and it is transmitted from camels to humans. and you know that more than 2400 cases were there, 858 death occurs, and the fertility rate is almost similar to 34.4%. Then comes 2019 novel coronavirus. It was started in Wuhan, a China part. Then seventh coronavirus found to cause illness in human. Okay, and transmitted through snakes, but more likely through bats and animal market. So I think you know now regarding corona, and you will be taking more precautions from preventing from this disease. Thank you and have a nice day.